Hello guys, welcome to Tech Wonderland. This is going to be the first video of our Python series. So I hope you like it. But before that, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, then please subscribe now and also click the bell icon to get notification of all my further videos. Now, without any delay, let's get started. So our today's topic is what is Python and also why Python. Basically, Python is a high-level programming language. Then you must be thinking, what is high-level programming language? Let's understand programming language with an example. Suppose your mom asks you to bring a cup of water. Your mom will ask in any language, that is in English, in Hindi, in Marathi or any other language. Have you ever wondered in which language is your mom talking or what she is talking? The answer is no, because you and your mom both know a common language and you are communicating in that same language. So you will immediately click that what you have to do. That is, you have to bring water to your mom, right? Now consider the same scenario between you and computer. You will ask computer to bring water. Let's say this is an instruction. You are giving this instruction to computer in any language, that is English, Hindi or Marathi. These languages are known as natural languages. Will computer follow your instruction? What do you think? The answer is no. Why? Because these are natural languages. Only human can communicate with this language. Computer will not understand any word of it. Languages are way of communication between us because of human emotions and our brain. But computer don't have any brain. We have to tell computer what to do. Hence these natural languages will not work for computer. Now here programming language comes into the picture. Now consider the same scenario but in little bit of different way. That is, you will give instruction to computer in languages like Python, Java or C. These languages are known as high-level languages. Now what computer will do is it will convert this Python, Java or C language into 01101 like this series, 01 series. This process is known as compilation and only computer can understand this series because he knows what 0 and 1 are for. But here you must be thinking, why can't we convert English language to 01 series? That is because English is natural language and Python, Java, C are high level language. They follow some specific syntax, structure and code block, etc. But in case of natural languages, we do not follow any particular syntax. Yes, we do follow grammatical rules, but they are not also specific because every person changes his own way. So that's why we use high level programming languages. Now computer will understand this 01 series and what your instruction is and will respond you an output. So I hope you understand what is Python and what is programming language is. Now let's see why Python. We are using Python because of its special features, which are its easy syntax, it is free, it is platform independent, it supports OOPS concept, it is interpreted language. Now what is meant by easy syntax? Syntax of Python is very easy to learn as compared to other programming languages. In other languages, we have to be careful of semicolon, then variable, method, etc. But Python is a lot easier as compared to that languages. You will get to know the syntax of Python, which is a lot easy and you will find it helpful. Now the second feature is free. The Python is freely available in market. You can easily download it and use it anywhere. You do not have to pay a single penny for that. That's why this is one of the unique feature of Python. Now the third feature is Python is platform independent. Platform independent means Python program can run on any operating system. like Linux, Windows, Mac, etc. You have to write Python program only once, then you can run it anywhere. The fourth feature of Python is object-oriented programming. Python supports the OOPS concept like classes, object, etc. It also supports inheritance, encapsulation, polymorphism, and makes the code reusable. All these concepts we are going to learn in upcoming videos. The another feature of Python is it is an interpreted language. That is, the Python program is executed one line at a time, which makes debugging a lot easier than other languages. So these are the unique features of Python. The another point why we choose Python is its application. Some of the application of Pythons are web applications, machine learning, artificial intelligence, data analysis, and image processing. Now, what is web application? We can use Python to develop web application with use of Django Flask framework. One can create web application which will run on any operating system. The second application of Python is machine learning. Building a model of machine learning is quick because of easy to learn and comfortable behavior of Python. The third application of Python is artificial intelligence. Python have pre-built libraries that helps Python to be the best programming language for artificial intelligence. The next application is data analysis. Python have more libraries like NumPy, Pandas, which make easy to process a huge amount of data. Sometimes we need to scrape the data from the web. To do these tasks, Python have libraries like Beautiful Soup and Scrappy, which helps to extract data from internet. Visualization of data is also possible with the help of Matplotlib. Then, the last application we are going to see of Python is image processing. Suppose the data is in image format, not in text or file. So how you gonna analyze or process this data? No worries, because Python have open source library known as OpenCV, which helps Python for image processing. So this is why we choose Python, and I hope you also understand today's video. If you like this video a little bit, then please hit like button because it's free. Also comment below if you have any queries. I will make sure to answer every comment. So see you in the next video. Till then, bye and keep supporting.